Have some with my pita. Good morning, guys. It's Sunday. I don't know, we just woke up because our breakfast is here. Let's see what it comes with. Very simple, but some bread, jams, and spread. Now we will eat it. And I think we'll make ourselves a little, oops, there's Tony. And we'll make coffee. We got simit. How is it? Pretzel?
Like a pretzel. How much is this? 3.5 liras.
So less than 35 cents.
Yeah. Just to keep you full, you know?
Look,
This is bread.
there's a cat home. And sleeping cats inside. And we're going to the Blue Mosque. It's pretty busy. We're gonna come back another day. As you can see, it's pretty crowded, and unfortunately a lot of it looks like it's under construction, so it doesn't really look like how it does in all the pictures. We're slowly trying to leave. View by the sea. Hello, cat. It's a Hagia Sophia cat. Back at Dervis. Gonna eat more Dervish.
No clue, but he just...
It's corn.
Does it? No, it doesn't work.
What do you think of it? Oh, you're right.
Where do you see the corn?
It looked like corn on my camera. It's actually little rices. Try it. Let's see if you like it.
Why not?
Good. Yeah? What's the flavor like? Meaty or
It's like
is it beef chunks?
almost like a fajita.
Oh, okay. This is called menemen, a special Turkish food. And we'll be eating it on pita, and we also have our Turkish teas.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna try this. It has cheese, sausage, peppers, and it looks very hot. Maybe some egg in there, I don't know. Or is that just cheese?
Cheese, maybe? I don't know. How's it?
It's very tomatoey. It's a tomato vegetable. It's something you would eat like on a rainy day, I think. It's like that kind of comfort food. I like it. Please stop.